Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to our technical channel Infosys Zone. Today I discuss you how to use screen recorder in your Samsung mobile. Friends, for using screen recorder, at first you have to create a Google account in your mobile. I hope everyone have one Google account. Then you have to go Play Store. From Play Store button, click in search option. Type movie Zen. Here you see that lot of movies and software are available, but maximum movies and software are fake. First I click in this movies and recorder, screen recorder. This is the original movies and screen recorder software. Its rating 4.3. You don't need to do anything, you just click in this install button. I have already installed it, that's why it show me just open. But friends, if you are using Samsung device, it cannot be run. For Samsung device you need another Moviegen software. Just type Moviegen for Samsung. Check this. This Moviegen is only for Samsung device. This is the real. When you download many kind of Moviegen software, please check this option. Moviegen. Other Moviegen is not valid, and for Samsung mobile, Moviegen Samsung, it must be shown. Its rating 4.4. You just click in install. I already installed it, that's why it show me open button. Check it. Good rating software. Goodbye friends, thanks for watching our video. If our videos help you little bit, please like, comment, share and subscribe our. Thanks friend.